Comes to sport, my voice cannot be as low as this. What sport will be making my voice as low as this? Of course, it's going to be a very, very silent game. No hand claps, no high fives, no shouting. Very, very serious and decent game. Of course, it's the chess. Yes, our Department of Physical Education in Presidency University has organized a 2 day chess competition for all our students where they have shown their skills of moving the pawns, protecting their queen, protecting their king, protecting their soldiers. So it's a fantastic game of chess. And we have Srinath along with us, who's the main student coordinator for the chess department of in physical education. Srinath, I heard that you are a national level player or something like that.
Yeah. I played for the national when I am in ninth standard, and after that, I continued playing for state and national.
Now we're in 10th standard or 12th standard?
I mean,
What are you studying?
now I'm studying third year BTech.
Okay. Right. So you started playing from the age of 9. Where are you actually from?
I'm from AP Karnool.
Where?
Karnool.
Karnool. Okay. Nice. So where did the chess interest actually come in from? From family, from somewhere else? Because what happens when sports, we generally see football, basketball, like cricket, badminton on those lines. But chess is a little a rare thing that any kid will like to do. Where is that interest came from to you?
Yeah, when I am playing cricket in ground, someone are playing chess inside the room. So I thought of I got in.
Yeah.
I got interest in playing chess. So I went started playing with students over there, and later on I continued with them.
My God, can you like even imagine? He was actually playing cricket, and somebody else was playing chess. Yeah. So leaving the bat and the ball.
I don't know how to play cricket.
Oh my God, look at that. That's lovely. So leaving the bat and the ball, he's gone to play the chessboard game, and he's played at national level. What are all your achievements, Srinath? Where all you have played and won?
I played for zone, central zone, state, and national.
Lovely. And here, how are the students coping up with the chess competition that you guys have organized for the last 2 days?
Yes, sir. They're playing good. We have got two vetted players.
How many?
Two.
Okay.
Two vetted players.
Okay.
Deepthi and Somali. They are playing very good, sir.
Right. So tell me on the chess board, of course, with Santosh's help on those lines. What is the most difficult part when it comes to checkmating your other partner?
Checkmating other partner. The thing is, we should manage the time, and as well as we should place the good moves. Sir.
Right.
If
Super.
we lose the time, we lose the match.
That is more important.
Important thing.
That's more important. And lovely to talk to you also, and please come along with me, and we will also be having a small chat with people who have actually won something. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, Dipti.
Hi, Deepthi. Deepthi, I heard your opponent lost it by seeing your smile.
No.
You actually played well.
Yeah, I think I played well. but
You played well with your smile.
no.
Just joking around, but Deepthi, tell me, how did you win this, and how was your rounds, and who was your competitor, and in how many minutes probably you won this board?
It's depend on situation on chess situation because opponent moves also. Which kind of a move they give me that depends on that because if they give difficult move then I have to think a lot. So that's depend on situation and opponent.
Fantastic. The main point is saving your queen, okay, and the king. So who actually, of course, you would have captured his king or the queen. That's how we would have probably won the game when the board had happened. But tell me, what is the most difficult part when it comes to moving the horse or the elephant, or the main point of moving and saving your king? What is the hardest point that you feel as a player?
I feel as a player when moving the knight because knight have only a 2.5 hit covered. But when he covered that time it's like in this game one option is knight take knight fork. It's a knight fork. If you place knight in a means creative position, that time it is attract two pieces.
Two soldiers, you mean?
Two pieces opponent. So one is you have to lose at least one. So that's why I'm thinking the night about because
Fantastic. Lovelily spoken. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shamili Chandra.
Shamili, right? You're from Bengal?
Yes, I'm.
Then again, she has to be the winner because eating fish for so many years, she is the intelligent girl. But yeah.
Means
But
that
actually, tell me, does I've heard this a lot, and I've been trying to eat a lot of fish, which has not helped my brain on those lines. But does it really help eating fish? Playing chess?
I don't think so.
No.
No connection, I guess.
No connection with fish eating and chess. Fantastic. Why do you love chess?
I love chess because I started playing chess as a hobby. I used to play with my mom. Mom always used to win. So, with the urge that I also want to win, I started having this.
So, but that's what I was asking Srinath also, where it is difficult for a youngster or a kid to get involved in chess. It's very tough,
My first plan was not to play chess actually, was to play badminton. But somehow my best friend was also in chess. So I was like, okay, fine, I will also go in chess. I had no intention to go and play, like have the rating and all. I didn't have that plan. But after starting to play, I started with this journey.
Fantastic.
Sirs were also motivating me with all this. So yeah.
And the man standing with the camera, of course, he's a fantastic badminton player, Prasanna. But when you say I don't like badminton, I left badminton and come and play chess, he's going to probably feel bad. But yeah, it happens. Somebody leaves cricket.
The main thing is like we didn't have any academy near our thing. So my mom was like, she didn't want to go, let me go in Kolkata alone, and chess was just nearby my house. So, but when I started playing, we didn't have any plans. It was just as a hobby.
Fantastic. Right. So we have more guys also around, and we will be going and talking to them as well. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Akshay KS.
Okay, Akshay. So, who won this game?
He won actually.
But still, you have a smile. That's nice to know. Because I've also heard. What's his name? What's his name?
His name is Raj.
Raj. Okay, Raj. Please, after winning it, please come here. We will talk on those lines, and then your partner is having a smile, even when he's lost it. But that's really nice. Yeah.
I think playing is important. Winning and losing is secondary. Participation is what really matters.
Fantastic. Who taught you this? This mom or dad?
Dad, obviously.
But again, do you think Raj? Jay, sorry. Macha, you said Raj.
Second name, right?
Okay, second name. Jay. Okay, that's why the victory is with you. Jay, right? Fantastic. Where are you from?
I'm from Gujarat.
Alright, fantastic. Jay, being a Pakka Guju, is it the Guju brains working on the chessboard?
Yeah, 100%. It's a business mind, and every chess is, I guess, everything about business, and that's the thing. You play with your different pieces accordingly, and you just have to see that you don't make any blunder. That's it.
I like your accent. You're speaking English also in Guju. Eh, nahi, ho nahi, aisa nahi, aisa hota nahi. All those. Yeah.
Every good you have their accent. Yeah,
But I love it. But I love it.
Thank you.
So tell me, when playing against him, what was the tough move that he gave to you, where you checkmated once at least in the game, or how that happened?
No, we are just playing friendly match.
Acha.
It's not official. We are just playing friendly match.
Even then you won. How rude of you.
No. I'm just teaching him some method that how can you easily checkmate your opponent with one rook and one king also. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, lovely. That's a nice way of learning, playing the match and learning. Nothing better than that, isn't it?
Yes, obviously. I mean, each and every day you learn something new. So, I mean, it's better to use opportunity when learning from, master. Master.
Master in quotes. But happy to know that you guys are really enjoying this. Where did your journey start with chess?
I started like after Corona when we are at home and chilling and doing nothing. So I discovered that chess is also very interesting. So that time outdoor sport you can't play. You can't go out and play. So I started investing my time in chess, and now every investment pays.
Fantastic. Whatever this China has done to the world, it has brought families closer together, and it has given us Jay kind of a grandmaster because
Not grandmaster yet.
master.
Master, yeah. Grandmaster is very higher title. It's
Who's your favorite idol in chess?
idol. I like Magnus Carlsen, and in India particular, I like Vidit Gujarati. Like he plays very well at a very young age.
Tell me, who's that name?
Vidit Gujarati.
Vidit Gujarati. Oh, okay, fantastic. So you idolize him.
Yes, I kind of idolize him.
Fantastic. This is lovely to know. This is our chess department, I should call, or chess vertical, I should call, under Department of Physical Education. Fantastic, guys. Apart from chess, anything else any sport that you really want to go ahead and do?
No, I like cricket, and like every Indian boy, cricket is their love. Like
Okay.
that only.
If cricket is on a scale of 1 to 10 and chess is on 1 to 10, how many marks for chess?
Just for 10.
Chess for 10, cricket
5, I guess.
5 only. That's it. You any other sport apart from chess?
Badminton, cricket, football.
Okay. I will not ask you the ratings, but yeah, what is the difference of playing chess and playing say football?
I think football is a spontaneous game. Chess, you need to think before you do anything. As the saying goes, think before you do something. I think, the concentration level is more compared to other games. But the physical concept, the physical condition doesn't really come into play when you're playing chess. And these are some of the
Fantastic. I should be even very clearly saying that other games gives physical fitness and physical endurance. Chess gives the most difficult part, the mental endurance, the mental fitness. That is more important, isn't it, Jay?
Yeah, 100%. Like you are not good in physical condition, that doesn't matter, because chess only requires your mind and your strength of thinking ability. That's only.
Fantastic to talk to you. Lovely. And thanks to Santosh also for organizing this once again. Keep watching more videos on our Presence University YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And please keep playing chess. And also, of course, Department of Sports, he says. And also Kalidas, thank you for your support also, being the director. Kalaivani also he mentions. Yes, exactly. Very much. That's Santosh. Pan for him. He's always been there. Thank you, Santosh. Thank you so much.